The Fujifilm X-T30 II Kit is a blend of vintage aesthetics and advanced technology ideal for both still photography and videography. It boasts a 26.1 megapixel back-illuminated X-trans sensor and X-processor 4 imaging engine that provide exceptional performance and vibrant, detailed results. The camera's autofocusing capabilities are remarkable, able to focus in as little as 0.02 seconds and even in low-light conditions down to -7 EV. The Fujifilm X-T30 II Kit also offers advanced video and imaging controls, including the ability to record 4K video at 30 frames per second and a variety of customization options for still images. The camera's design encourages creativity, with features like a 3-inch two-way tilting screen for easy operation and an advanced SR auto mode for optimal automatic settings. Finally, the Fujifilm X-T30 II Kit excels in shareability, with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities that make it easy to share images and connect to the Fujifilm Camera Remote app.